Imagine relationships as delicate bridges, requiring maintenance and care to avoid collapse. When conflicts emerge, words become the tools of repair. Introducing a few power phrases like "I understand" and "tell me more" can transform conversations. These phrases open doors to empathy and dialogue, conveying respect and attentiveness. Apologizing with sincerity, saying "I'm sorry, I didn't realize," acknowledges harm while affirming the other person's feelings. Offering reassurance through "we'll figure this out together" strengthens bonds, promising collaboration and resolution. These simple yet profound phrases can mend divides, fostering connections that defy discord, nurturing lasting relationships that thrive on understanding and mutual respect.